Introducing the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's most powerful iPhones yet. iPhone 17 Pro in deep blue, 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display, ProMotion 120Hz, powered by the A19 Pro chip. The Pro Max in deep blue, 6.9-inch display, same chip, longer battery life for all-day use. iPhone 17 Pro in silver, compact lightweight aluminum unibody, a 19 Pro chip, smooth 120Hz display. Pro Max in silver, larger 6.9-inch display, same performance, longer battery for gaming, streaming, and photos. The rear design really highlights the 48 megapixels Pro Fusion camera system, featuring main, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. You get up to 8 times optical zoom and, honestly, some pretty amazing low-light shots. The Pro is compact, while the Pro Max is well larger and more immersive. My favorite color? Gotta say, it's cosmic orange. It just makes the camera layout and that aluminum unibody really pop. The iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange comes with that rear 48 megapixels Pro Fusion camera and super versatile zoom. It starts at $1,099 and gives you up to 33 hours of video playback. It's compact, vibrant, and seriously powerful. The Pro Max in Cosmic Orange has that same 48 megapixels Pro Fusion camera. It starts at $1,199 and wow, gives you up to 39 hours of video playback. It's got a bold design, pro-grade photography, and extended battery life. So, iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, both offer top performance, stunning cameras, and a premium design. Which one would you pick?